Carla Clayton here, the Wellness Lady, and I help busy professionals create a healthier life, home, and business, one small change at a time. And I promised you an unboxing today. This came in the mail, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. I'm going to open the box in front of you, and then we're going to dive deeper in a future event. So the first thing I want to tell you is that my brand partner, we just had our annual conference. And at annual conferences, one of the things we love to do is get new products. So the theme this month is about immunity, because isn't everybody now concerned about what we can do to have a healthy immune system? So Shaklee's been hard at work, my brand partner, coming up with some new products for the immune system. So there's 5 new healthy products for the immune system. And what I love about them is we have a great lineup of immune building products that are like tablets that you maybe chew or that you swallow, but we've come up with some other ways because we know that there are a lot of people who want alternative ways to boost their immune system. So without any further ado, let's open this box up. Like, I am so excited. I literally am cutting the tape right here in front of you. And I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about all the products in here. I'm just going to give you highlights. And then I'm going to invite you to a pop-up event that I'm going to have so I can dive deeper into what's inside. But I will tell you this. The theme is elderberry. Who are my team elderberry friends? If you love elderberry, put a comment or an emoji in the comments below if you love elderberry. So the first thing that we've come out with is a life shake with elderberry. So this is elderberry flavored. So I got me 2 of these. This was a special conference bundle that those of us that went to the conference were able to order and get first out. This is probably the one that I'm most excited about in my daily routine. If you follow me at all, you know I start every single day with my Shaklee energizing tea. It's a green tea, white tea, and red tea blend, which is so good for so many things. Elderberry flavored now. It's got elderberry extracts in it as well. So it's going to boost my immunity while I'm getting that delicious caffeine, natural caffeine boost for my morning instead of coffee, full of antioxidants, lots of good health benefits and properties. Now, I think I've heard this is already sold out. It's so popular, but go ahead and order some so that you can be one of the first to get it when it comes back online. The next is this new immunity boost. It's called Triple Defense Boost. And what it is, oh yeah, this is so cool. It's a powder that you can put in hot or cold water, and it's going to help give your immune system a boost. And it works in 3 different ways. And I'll get into more detail about this in my pop-up about how it works and whatever. Of course, there's elderberry, but there's a whole lot of other wonderful ingredients for the immune system inside here. Now, I have to tell you, the one I'm the most excited about is not going to be available until November. But I got an advanced release copy. It is a super immunity gummy. My customers have been asking for gummies for probably 15 years. And I am so excited we finally have delivered. So this is for children. It's going to have vitamin C, zinc, all elderberry, all that good stuff, as well as some other things. Again, I'll go into more detail in a pop-up. Available in November. So let me know if you want to be on the wait list to get some of these. And I know there's a lot of adults that have already told me they want this too because they love a gummy, just something they can chew on to boost their immune system. And those are my 5 new immunity products that will be part of the lineup if you work with me. Now, another new thing that we have is I have the ability to send you Life Shake samples. So if you would like to try a free sample, just send me a message and I'll take care of that. So I've offered for you a couple of things. Would you like to be a part of my pop-up where I go into more detail about what these are all about? That's the first thing. If you do, just send me a message or leave a comment below. Second, if you want to get on the wait list to get these gummies when they come available, let me know so that I can get you on the wait list. If you want to order any of these products, if you already have an account with me, you can just go on your website and order those. If you don't have an account, let me know. I'll help you get set up so you can order online directly from my store and save 15% with no, people get real woo about accounts, but there's no requirement to be on any kind of auto shipment or anything like that. Truly, there's no catch. So the third thing is I'm going to have a pop-up, and I would love to have a couple of what I'm calling friends and family events where you come and my closest friends and family members, and we're just going to go over and talk about what all these things are in a very just a pop-up Zoom. So it'll be a lot of fun. So if you want info on that, let me know. In the meantime, hop over to my website, wellnesslady.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.